Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Mavic Pro 2, production capacity issues. We'll have that coming right up. The past 24 to 36 hours have been nothing but a whirlwind of activity regarding the DJI Mavic Pro 2. On the morning of July 17th, we awoke to a Twitter post by our friend OsitaLV, and I'm going to go ahead and put that up on the screen and read that for you. It said, a message from a highly reliable source about the postponement of the See the Bigger Picture event, not confirmed. DJI found a serious design failure of the gimbal, but mass production had already begun, so they called it off. About 150,000 products need to be reworked. Well, last night, as you know, I have Tuesday Night Rotor Talk Live, and we had episode 14 last night, which we spent the greater part of the episode talking about this tweet from OsitaLV, and I laid out 4 bullet points describing why I believe that that was not the case, regarding that there was not a hardware failure regarding the gimbal assembly. Well, this morning we awoke to some additional news from OsitaLV, and I'm going to go ahead and put that tweet up on the screen. The first one is, I'm going to read the bottom one first and then the top one. According to a core person from DJI HQ, the See the Bigger Picture event postponed due to shortage of mass production capacity. DJI needs to prepare more products to avoid shipment issues so you can get your new drone quickly. The rumored design failure does not exist. And I'll go ahead and read the top tweet here. Sorry for the changing info, but I got a phone call from DJI HQ just now. They confirmed that the postponement was made on account of production capacity shortage. They don't want to see shipment issues on a new product. Of course, we know what product is. Now, I'm going to go ahead also put up on the screen from DroneDJ. Hey, Kestelou received an email from DJI. And let's go ahead and read this from DroneDJ. Good morning. Today I woke up to find an email from DJI in my inbox in which they said the delay of the launch event is not due to a design failure of the gimbal, but that DJI wants to ensure what we deliver to the market is up to our standard of innovation, and we will have enough products available to ship to our customers when we do launch the product. Without telling us exactly what the issue is, DJI stresses that the need to meet the standard of innovation, which seems to point to a technical problem with the product, as well as having enough inventory available. That second part is interesting, and the first time we hear about the availability of the product being part of the reason to postpone the See the Bigger Picture event. DJI's email ended with DJI acknowledging that there's a lot of excitement in the market on what's to come, so we will definitely keep everyone posted when we are ready to make an official announcement. No word on when that might be, though. Now, today I received quite a few emails and quite a few comments on what people think this reason for the postponement is. Again, they stated it was due to production capacity. I'm hearing all kinds of wild rumors regarding that. Some of the more plausible ones, incredible ones are, their tariff issues combined with this, and just some of the other ones that we had discussed in one of the previous videos. Now, what I want to talk about today here is why this has been delayed. Now, a lot of times, production capacity, a company can only control so many things. One of the things that is outside of their control is third-party suppliers. Now, I believe that this issue is due to lack of availability of something from a third-party supplier. And what I believe that is, I believe that is Sony. Now, if you know anything about the sensors for the DJI Mavic Pro, and sensors for drones like this, they're made by Sony. What's interesting about this, though, is that Sony also makes these for Apple and for Samsung, which are much higher on the list than DJI. So what I believe is going on here, that there's a shortage of sensors at this point, and that's why they've only been able to produce this many units. So they decided to go ahead and postpone the event due to this reason. Question of the day. What do you think that the production capacity shortage is due to? Please leave your answer in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching and happy flying.